Siguradong basag ngayon ang puso ng pamilya at mga kamag-anak ng yumaong Asia's Queen of Songs na si Pilita Corrales. Ngayong araw, April 12, kinumpirma ng mga anak na sina Jackie Lu Blanco at Ramon Christopher, pati ang apong si Janine Gutierrez ang pagyaw ng award-winning veteran singer-actress sa pamamagitan ng social media. Wala silang binanggit na dahilan ng pagkamatay ni Pilita sa inilabas nilang official statement. It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved Mami and Mamita, Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the lives of many, not only with her songs but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life. Further details regarding memorial services will be shared soon, ang buong pahayag ng pamilya ng 85 anyos na showbiz icon. Alam ng buong entertainment industry kung gaano kamahal ni Janine ang kanyang mamita, at proud na proud siya bilang apo ng TV icon. Sa isang Instagram post ni Janine, binigyan niya ng tribute ang pinakamamahal na lola nung nabubuhay pa ito. Aniya, I spent a good amount of my childhood in Mamita's walk-in closet, trying on her PVC heels and hiding behind her gowns. I remember the smell as I typed this. And I also want to cry a little bit. When I got big enough to fit into her clothes, every time I would visit, she'd give me handfuls. Lahat naman daw bagay sa akin. Yes, bias talaga siya. She also thinks I sing well, which confirms her bias, bahagi ng kanyang mensahe para kay Pilita. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, I love her so much and feel so lucky to have her in my life. She's been the most generous person, even to this day, agreeing to do stupid vlogs with me. Don't forget to watch my latest vlog now up on my YouTube channel, ang pahabol pang pahayag ng dalaga sa naturang IG post. Rest in peace Pilita Corrales.